Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. About 3 days ago, I made a video on this. And in the video, I did this. And then I started thinking there's a smarter, faster way. I'm going to fill these blocks in. So there's a couple of steps you have to do. Then I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to object and group them together. And then I'm going to go to effects and contour. And I'm going to contour the inside. And then take the Smart Fill tool back. And I have that invisible non-line around it. I'm going to get rid of these lines. The easiest thing to do is just nudge things out of the way and then nudge these back. And then we rotated that around. And you see I've got space between the original polygon, which really doesn't matter because we're going to rotate it. But then I started thinking the easier maybe way to do it, this is exactly the same box. And I'm just going to take these lines and make them a thicker line. Let's make them a little bit thicker. And then go up to object and convert the outline to an object. By doing that, I'm going to get the exact same effect because the blend or the thicker line that now become, now if these were thick lines that were still lines, they would go all the way to the edge. But because we made them an object, and then you could take your original polygon, and I really like working to the center of the page, so I'm going to move these to there. And then, you know, in the previous video I did different colors, and you know, you could do, well, let's just leave that the same. Now group this together, Control G, Control D to group, to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center and rotate it that 60 degrees. And see, you've got the space between them. Now we can very easily get rid of this and we could put in a black box effect to show that there's lines back there or there's nothing back there. See how it, there's space between the blocks. So it's kind of, if you look at it, you know, which way are they going? You know, whatever. It's not that cool of a design. And you could also do a lot of other stuff with here. Take the black, get the interactive fill tool, swipe across it, get the elliptical, and see by doing that, now you kind of have a glow right there. And of course, now these have turned to white or gray lines. And if I would have kept that original polygon, we could fill that in with a completely different color. You know, we still could, now that, because we're working in the center of the page, well, that, I hit it dead on, but do I want it dead on? So I'm going to hold down the Shift key, bring that in, and then I could make that completely black. And look at that, it's got a little glow around it. Then I would select it all and right-click No Outline. Anyway, so just 2 ways to do something. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.